Now lately in Korean boutique cafes, they'll have of course their coffee, their teas, but like in the little refrigerator section, a lot of cafes are selling these fresh strawberry milks, but they're expensive. They're like $8 a little bottle. $8? That's a hamburger. These look beautiful. So of course you don't need to get like nice strawberries like this. I'm just doing this because this is for YouTube. You can get frozen strawberries as well. Just make sure to bring it to room temperature. You know, my grandma actually does strawberry farming in the countryside, and I know how hard it is to make a premium strawberry. They're so sensitive. If you make fun of these strawberries during harvest season, these guys will just turn inwards. They'll stop talking to you and then just no good. For the strawberry milk, we're gonna make a little strawberry jam or puree that we can layer on the bottom. And we're gonna use 10 strawberries. Cut down, line up, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The first 10, let's put it in a bowl. Strawberries can be broken down with anything. They're nice and soft. Actually, I'm gonna use a fork now. All right, guys, you wanna break this down, especially the larger pieces. No matter how tasty your strawberries are, we need the help of some sweetness. Today, I'm gonna use sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 3. Now, I would recommend making it with sugar once so you know how tasty this is. And on the second run, if you want to make it a little bit healthier, you can use honey instead. Maybe 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and then the rest with honey. But you should taste it as it goes just to see. All right, and then we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to add a layer of fresh chopped strawberries. Same thing, chop this up. Ah, these strawberries smell so good. Cut them down the middle. Careful of your fingers. Dice them. All right, we'll put this into a bowl. Into the pot, and we're gonna bring this little puree up to boil. That way the sugars can get mixed in. All right, guys, once it comes to boil, just give it a nice stir around, maybe around 20 to 30 seconds. Turn off the heat, and then this is the toughest part of the recipe. You have to wait. You're at the DMV, so just relax.
Now serving 848 at window number 33.
In the meanwhile, if you want to make a lot at once and you just want to store in the refrigerator for a few days, I would make sure to sterilize your glass jars. If you're going to eat it straight away, you can skip the sterilization. And question, Daniel, where did you get these cute little jars? We went to the supermarket and we bought a milk tea. If you want to make it look pretty when you serve it and you rip off the sticker from the milk tea, for example, a good way that I learned to take off that residual stickiness, dab a paper towel with any type of oil, olive oil, whatever, doesn't matter. And then the part that still has that sticker residue, you just wipe it like that. It's kind of counterintuitive, adding greasy thing to something sticky, but helps get it off. And then go towards hot water and wash that thing off.
Now serving B308 at window number 15.
Let's pour it in. All right, next goes the milk. Then of course save some room for those strawberries. All right, and there it is, guys. You got the fresh strawberry pieces on top. Let's follow the elevator down. You got some of that calcium, that vitamin D milk. And then of course you got your flavoring down here. So much better than strawberry flavored milk. If you make a lot at once, don't shake it up. Just store it like this in the refrigerator. And then when your kids or your friend or your whoever comes home, they want to eat it, all you gotta do is shake it up. This is the fun part, shake it. Get on the flow. And now we'll open it up.
Wow. Is this a drink from heaven?
Yes, I believe so.
어떻게 먹어야 돼? Wow.
How do you like it?
It's so good.
Remember we tried it at the cafe and we said it was, wow, it's so expensive.
Yeah, this is an expensive drink.
No,
It's not too sweet at all, and I can taste the strawberries, and it's just mixed really well.
Katie, don't drink too much milk. You're gonna grow too tall.
I'm already taller than you.